So today I'm going to share something with you that you may not be familiar with that FM do, and it's cleaning products. This is going to do 750 mils of water and lots of cleaning. Many people think FM just do fragrances and cosmetics. We've got so much more than that. We do supplements, we have teas and coffees, but we also have our home care collection. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about today. It's our Smart and Clean brand new product, and this is the all-purpose cleaning tablet. We've just launched 5 tablets, and at first glance you think, what can this paracetamol do? It can do so much. What you do is you take this tablet, you fill the bottle up to 750 mils, which is just about to there. You don't need to buy this bottle. You can just use your normal cleaning bottle. It will do. It could just down plastic again. This is why they brought this collection out. You fill it up and that's it. It dissolves and away you go. You've got a full bottle and that's it for that tablet. It's going to take up less room in your cupboards. You're recycling your plastics. And what's not better than that? And it's 100% natural ingredients in this. So you can have a bath cleaning tablet. We've got floor cleaning, glass, kitchen, and this all-purpose cleaning tablet. Everyday dirt this is going to remove, and you've got a couple of options with this. You can either buy it from the link below. I'm going to drop the link directly to the cleaning tablets, which is brilliant for the environment. Or you can open your own free account, which means you're going to save even more money. And that's what we're about. We're saving money, cutting down plastics, and just making everything even better. So hit the link below.